Oh my God, what are you doing? Try to shove it in more. You can't? Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at my cousin's house and we'll be staying overnight and we're having a fire. So let's go. All I see out here. Ooh, we have jumbo marshmallows. Jake is doing the chubby bunny challenge. Oh my God, what are you doing?
I'm sticky.
Well, why are you touching me if you're sticky? Okay, I roasted a marshmallow. Now I'm gonna take it off. Can't really see me, but look, it's all sticky. Let's try it. Mmm. He's telling a
Two
foodie
summer
story.
camp counselors at Camp Crystal Lake. Their names, Barry Jackson and Claudette Hayes.
I better not have
Sneak
nightmares.
away after a campfire sing
To cuddle.
to cuddle. Before they completely cuddle.
Before they completely cuddle? Is that what actually
No,
in there?
it's look.
I don't want to read it.
No.
Before they finish cuddling.
No.
Almost finished cuddling.
It's. I just didn't know how to say that with cuddling.
Let's see.
And
I didn't see it. You keep moving.
I just didn't.
Before they completely. Almost.
Before they completely.
Let's just say close their
Okay.
options.
Stop. Just.
Cut there.
Person sneaks into the room.
Yeah.
Oh my
Barry
God.
and Claudette noticed her.
Weird, eh?
Barry is trying to convince her that they weren't doing anything, that they were doing nothing wrong. So she stabs Barry right in the guts.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Chases down on the
Okay,
counter
new
and went to
story.
watch some TV. Probably Virgin River. I added that part.
Yeah,
Like
Virgin
watching
River.
Her son came to her and asked if he could play with her new phone. She told him not to call anyone or mess with the text messages, but he agreed. Oh, and he agreed. At around 11:20, she was drowsy, so she decided to tuck her son in and go to bed. She walked in and she then ran over to her room to find him sleeping on the
Why?
bed with the phone in his
Marshmallows.
hand.
My
Relieved,
face.
she picked her phone back up from the sand to inspect it.
It's scary. It's so dark out.
Only minor changes, such as a new background, banner, etc. And then she opened up her saved picture.
Look, my hands are all sticky.
Till only one new picture remains. He's a thing.
Okay, now it's ghost stories.
So the radical,
And I'm gonna do the chubby bunny challenge. Oh.
there was a rumor that the town was one of the most
Find the
haunted places
marshmallows.
in America. When
Don't
Culp
see the
started
marshmallows.
started an on-campus magazine.
Jake, my
he couldn't wait
cousin's
to write about
telling
several
us scary
of the area's
stories.
most famous phantoms.
And the
Not
marshmallows are
necessarily
giant.
published,
Okay.
so he kept finding himself thinking about one ghost in particular. The
My hands
ghost
are already stuck to the bags. They're all
of
sticky.
Wood Road.
Okay.
As the story
Okay.
goes, many decades
So
ago,
chubby
probably
bunny.
sometime in the 1940s,
Are you
there
ready?
was a young man courting
I'm gonna
a
sit
young
back
woman in a
down.
rural part of town.
I'll sit in
This
this
one
chair
danced in a
instead.
public match. Each night he visited under the cover of darkness.
Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna do the chubby bunny challenge, right?
What? Oh, God.
I can't do it. That's funny. Hey guys, so everybody went in because they felt like it. And my Uncle Josh is right there. Hello? I went to, he went to watch his hands. Huh? Hello? He went to watch his hands, now he's by the fire. But now I'm going to go in and wash my hands and my face because I'm sticky. Okay, guys. Time to wash this sticky mess up. Look at me, I'm such a mess. Okay. I'll be back when I wash my face too.
One eternity later.
Someone's coming. Oh, you got your pajamas on? Oh, you look cute.
And because my jeans are sticky.
Oh. I had to wash my face and my hands because they were sticky.
I'm trying to do the chubby bunny.
Oh, okay, he's doing a chubby bunny.
Oh my god, you can't even put one in.
I know.
Don't make me do the hind.
Try shove it in more. You can't? And another person came back.
Personally, I
So he went in
don't
for his,
arrange the trees here. Sorry.
he went in for his pajamas. You went in for
And
I
to
just
wash
want
my
to go in.
face and stuff.
Yeah.